ましょう. This piece of language is used to express the intention or volition to do an action, often seen translated as just let's.
では、日曜学校の教室に行きましょう。
And so to use ましょう, all you have to do is just replace must with ましょう. That's it, right? Drop the must and replace it with ましょう. 行きます、行きましょう. Let's go.
みんなありがとう。それじゃあ、アルカンシェルに行きましょう。
However, just so you know, ましょう is actually the volitional form of must. So you're not just replacing must with something else, you're actually conjugating it into the volitional form. And this also exists in casual speech as well, without using must. This is just your. Now we'll cover this more later, but for example, instead of saying 行きましょう, you could say 行こう.
私たちも迎えに行こうよ。
ザナルカンドへ行こう。私も行こう。
That's more casual Japanese, the exact same thing. It's just a volitional form. This means that you're showing the intent to do an action, often translated as let's. So, for example, let's go, 行きましょう. Let's return, 戻りましょう.
エミール。
さあ、カイネさんのところに戻りましょう。
Let's do our best, 頑張りましょう.
一緒に頑張りましょう。
And you can also make this into a question. Now you're making it into a suggestion. So it's a question of intention, right? A suggestion.
ちょっと遠いですが、移動してみましょうか。
So here all you have to do is add the ka to the end of ましょう to make it a suggestion. Shall we go? 行きましょうか?
そろそろ行きましょうか。
And you can do the same thing in casual speech as well. 行こうか? Shall we go?
さあ、行こうか。
So just know that this ましょう here is actually the volitional form of must. And you can use this in casual speech as well, just make it the your ending. 行く、行こう、食べる、食べよう.